make some coffee, Cuban coffee. I just used this morning. It's a little bit dirty, but I'm not worried about it. You just unscrew the lid, and this is where you'll put the coffee grounds, and then you'll fill the base with water. You'll want to fill it up to that bolt. And Cafe Bustelo is the only way to go. Awesome Cuban espresso. You want to pack it down so you can make it even stronger. Alright, and then there's a washer right here, rubber one. Sometimes it'll pop out and you have to put it back in, but no big deal. We'll just screw this on the top. Make sure it's tight. You don't want it spilling out the sides. And we'll head to the stove.